Hello everyone and welcome back. And today we're going to be looking at Seamless AI. Seamless AI, the sales talker you never knew you needed. Let's be real. Finding leads is hard on explaining Wi-Fi to your grandparents. Enter Seamless AI, the tool that promises to dig up contact info like a detective with a caffeine addiction. But is this sales gold or just a fancy way to spam strangers? Let's break it down with jokes because sales is already painful enough. Seamless AI is the good, the bad, and the wait, is this legal? That's why we're going to be examining the good, the bad, and the wait, is this legal? That's another way of saying the ugly. Moving on, we're going to look at the categories, the pros and the cons. By pros, I mean they shut up and take my money stuff, and the cons, we can also call it the feels like cyber stalking stuff. Cyber stalking. So the first category we're going to look at is lead generation. Lead generation. And the pro is that it helps you find emails and phone numbers faster than your ex moves on. That is Seamless AI for you. The con is that sometimes accurate means emailing support at defunct@2012.com. That was it's not that accurate. Let's look at the Chrome extension category. Now, it helps you stalk LinkedIn profile so you don't have to officially. And the con is that it may accidentally reveal your own search history to coworkers. That is not good. Moving on to data freshness. Category of data freshness, yes, it claims real-time updates unlike your outdated Tinder bio. And when it comes to the con, real-time sometimes means we found their MySpace email. Moving on to integration. It works with Salesforce, HubSpot, and your crippling CRM addiction. But the con, seamless unless you are still using Outlook 2003. Outlook 2003. Moving on to pricing. The free plan lets you test drive before selling a kidney. While the con is that the paid plans cost more than your daily Starbucks habits. So what's our final verdict? You may be asking, should you become a data detective? Well, for sales team who need leads like yesterday, your answer should be, take my money and my soul and get started. But for privacy conscious folks, it feels like the start of a Black Mirror episode. So think about that. What am I saying? Seamless AI is like a private investigator for salespeople. Super useful, slightly sketchy, and occasionally too good at his job. So use it wisely or you might end up in someone's spam folder forever. P.S. If you land a $1 million deal using Seamless, we accept thank you gifts in coffee and LinkedIn endorsements. If you're still debating, remember, cold outreach is just making friends with extra steps and way more rejection. Hope you found this video helpful.